ಜೀತೋ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಸೀಸನ್ 1ಕ್ಕೆ ಭರ್ಜರಿ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡವನ್ನ ನವರತ್ನ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಜೈಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ದಿಗ್ಗಜ ಕಪಿಲ್ ದೇವ್ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ತಂಡದ ಅನಾವರಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆಯಿತು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಜಿಐಟಿಒ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ಗೆ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿರುವ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಪಡೆ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ದಿಗ್ಗಜ ಕಪಿಲ್ ದೇವ್ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನವರತ್ನ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡವನ್ನ ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿತು. ಐಪಿಎಲ್ ತಾರೆ ವೈಶಾಖ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ವೃತ್ತಿಪರತೆ, ಶಿಸ್ತು, ತಂಡದ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರಿಯಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಜೈಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾಲುದಾರನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 24ರಿಂದ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 5ರವರೆಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದ ಕೊಲಂಬೋದ ಸಿಸಿಸಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆಐಟಿಒ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸುವ ಗುರಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಜೆಪಿಎಲ್ ಸೀಸನ್ 1ರಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಲು ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿದೆ.
स्पीच दे रहे थे, अपन काय को बने फास्ट बॉलर बन जाते, हमारे को तो थोड़ी सी इजीनेस हो जाता ना, पकड़ के शुरू से लेके इतना तेज बोल रहे थे. कोई जल्दी है, जाना है कहीं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? I think this is a great evening. We are going to celebrate. That's what is happening. That's why you called me. I think you done wonderful, Vicky. Great job. Hats off to you. Hats off to everybody. I think you all can clap for yourself. It's not easy to bring a thought in your head and after that you complete that thought with such a fantastic way. I think that's called the vision. सब लोग ऐसे नहीं होते. 99% लोग बिस्तर में बैठ के बात करते हैं. But the people who take the leadership and take the start, I think they are the one who are the most important thing. Good luck to you. Good luck to your vision, which you started 40 years back, and today your school, your university, people talk about that. That's more important. I still say sports is very important, but not better than education. If you want to take your country ahead, the education is the base. कई बार तुम क्रिकेटर बन जाते हो, बात नहीं कर सकते, तो व्हाट इज द यूज? उसके लिए एजुकेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई ऑलवेज सेज इन लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स people only talk about sports. No, it's important the education with the sports. You are much better. That's give you the confidence. You can be big player, but if your education is there, you are 1,000 times better. And that's what we should teach them. We should teach the younger people, you have to study hard. She was sitting with me and she said, I don't want to go to the school. I said, no, you must go to the school. School where you learn. Sports teach you how to win and lose. Business people can't take loss. Business people can't take loss. They only want to see the profit. But the sports people who do business, they take win and loss in their stride throughout their life. If I lose today in a business, I will get up tomorrow. I work hard and I will say I will prove everybody wrong and I will deliver. But the business people, when they go down, their families suffer. They can't take losses. And that's what we say, sports is important for everybody to play and learn. हार जीत होगी जिंदगी में. अगर सबको बिजनेस आ जाए और सभी जीत जाए तो फिर बिजनेस कौन करेगा? सभी करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता. हार जीत लेने वाला ही आगे जिंदगी में बढ़ता है. But what you, Vicky, I was listening, I wasn't so much aware about your organization, but in few years you reach at this level, I know how difficult to sell the team. बनने के बाद तो बहुत आसान होता है कहना, बहुत आसान होता है। आज आईपीएल की आप टीम कर रहे हो 27,000 करोड़ का, दैट्स वेरी इजी। पर जब शुरू में 300 करोड़ की बिक रही थी, बिक नहीं रही थी, हाथ पकड़ पकड़ के बेच रहे थे, प्लीज ले लो। पर वो विजन होता है किसी का, everybody had that vision, then it's a different game. But I think you had a vision, your team has a vision, and those are the people are the leader of the world. The people who start believing we can achieve that. बहुत लोग आपको नीचे गिराएंगे, they will pull you down, but that's not important. Important is your passion. Passion is the key word in my life. And a lot of people said we played cricket, won the World Cup, and you made us proud. I tell you, I didn't made you people proud as much I made myself proud. As much as we feel proud, our own team. And you are part of that, our success you're enjoyed, that's where we feel much happier. कि मैं जीता, मैं खेला और लोगों को पसंद आया, that's called a beauty of this thing. So whatever you are doing, good luck to you. मेरे को श्रीलंका बुला लेना यार. श्रीलंका बोले जा रहे हैं. Please call me also. Now I'm part of that. But all the success, good luck to everybody, whoever got involved. And again, don't bother about you make money or not. Enjoy the moment. And that's very, very important. I say to the kids, go to the school. I was very poor student. Very, very poor student. I want to run away. Like she said, she doesn't want to. But today, if one thing somebody says, what do you miss in life? I said, I wish I also would have gone to Oxford, Harvard or Cambridge. Sports आपको सारी उम्र साथ नहीं रहेगी. But education will remain with you throughout your life. Never ever ignore the education. Sports is the strength. Education will give you the belonging in the world where you will be strong. That's why India today, because of the education, we created the name in the world. People say Indian body intelligent hai. Because we have the middle class who come out, they are so educated, running the world with technology, and that's thanks to the education. Yours also part of that. With that, once again, thank you very much. You invited me. Good luck. Enjoy yourself. And to your team, Vishal, you, your team, Navratan, whoever, I got few names. His speech. Should I say the name? No, I don't want to say that. I kept it. I said, you hold it like that. I thought he's going to read and do the speech. But he didn't, not even once looked at that. He was just going like that. And why you written that? और pause भी नहीं लिया, full stop भी नहीं, comma भी नहीं. But why he had that? I was looking at him and he didn't see. Huh? What forget? When you are sharp here, you will never forget that. That's why they say, not kid like you, be here. Whatever you're doing, be here. You will never forget. But if you are here thinking about the school, you will forget that. And when you're on the playground, don't think about the class. When you're in the class, don't think about the playground. And that's how you put your mind in it. Once again, Vicky, good luck to you and to Vishal and all the young people. अच्छा लगता है आप जब कंट्री का नाम बड़ा करते हो और ऐसे ऐसे आइडिया लेके आते हैं and you make it so much success. Good luck to everybody. All the best. And enjoy the movement. That's much more than that. बड़ा अच्छा बोला कि सब लोग जीत नहीं सकते, लेकिन जीतने के लिए जा तो सकते हो ना. Good luck, all the best, everybody who ever got involved with that. And to the media special, बाकी स्पोर्ट्स को भी देख लेना कभी कभी, कभी कभी दूसरी स्पोर्ट्स को भी ध्यान दे देना चाहिए. It's good. It's not only cricket. All the sports. Good luck to everybody. Have a wonderful time.